Good morning, all. There's a very famous quote that says, if you're brave enough to say goodbye, life will always start you with a new hello. On that note, I would like to hand over to Mr. Dr. Sunil Belati for the welcome address. Over to you, Sunil, sir.
Uh, Good morning to one and all. Nice to see you back, at least in the virtual mode, but without any apprehension and doubt, I can declare that any institute is a structure of brick and mortar, and the life is induced into it by the student fraternity. It has become very clear and evident that over the past decade, the name and fame of SEMC has been on a continuous and a constant rise. And one of the major contributors to this phenomena is the student community of SEMC, whom we all put them in a high pedestal in terms of important stakeholders. The 3 solid years of your stint at SEMC, you would have had your share of happy moments, which will linger in your memory. However, there would also be some low moments, which you will definitely let go and leave them behind. Typical to SEMC, students are drawn from different regions of the country with varied educational background and cultural diversity, which makes this place a true melting pot, wherein through your peer interactions in the college classrooms, in the corridors, at the canteen and the hostel lounges, and the exchange of knowledge through group assignments have enhanced your understanding of people with different intellect and sensibilities, which would help you in a long way, in mitigating through this maze called the world. Though you were not being able to interact with the new batch, but you have set a standard and raised the bar of excellence, which the incoming batch would surely emulate and even in some instances surpass them. You as an outgoing batch have left a lasting impression and the baton has been passed over. You as a batch have not only bared the rigorous academic pursuit at SEMC, but also have proved yourself in the co-curricular and extracurricular activities. Your contributions have allowed the flag of SEMC to remain flying high. Though you have passed out of the portals of SEMC with flying colors, let me remind you that the umbilical cord is not yet detached. We, as an institute, will be very much in contact with you and guide you when in doubt regarding career choice or otherwise. You can always consider us as your soundboard. On behalf of our beloved director, Dr. Sriram Gopalakrishnan, my colleagues and well-read faculty members of SEMC, the all-supportive administrative staff, I wish you success in all endeavors in your life and hope you seek a profession that interests you and make you happy and contented. As the 19th century German philosopher Friedrich Nietzsche once remarked, he who has a why can bear almost any how. With this, I cordially extend my warm welcome to batch 2017-20 to this valedictory ceremony. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you, Dr. Sunil, for this welcome address. I shall request the head of departments of various specializations to come forward and address the batch of 2020. I would request Amitabh sir to start the first address process. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Manish. I was saying that this is always a very emotional moment, and it's a moment to think back on the days that we've had together. I have to confess that this batch has been one of the most jubilant batches that I've come across, very committed, and a lot of things that we did as a batch were done for the first time. And I know how we went through this together, all of us remember. Those are the happiest memories that we'll share. I would first and foremost, of course, start with congratulating Aditi Parada, for first being the batch topper and more importantly, having won the Best Outgoing Girl Student of the Year award from the university. She's done us proud. We never have had any doubts about her. And so, yes, congratulations.
Congratulations, Aditi.
Thank you. Congrats, Aditi.
So, all of us, of course, have been through this journey together. What I wanted to share with you at this point of time is that one relationship has ended, the relationship between you as students and me as your professor. But there's another relationship which is started, which is a more important, more significant relationship, which is that all of you are going to be professionals now once you step out into the industry, and therefore all of us are equals. So, but I will of course continue to remain Amitabh sir for all times, and anything that you need from me. And the one thing that I've always maintained is that you are always priority. So with that, with very, very happy memories, of course, I wish all of you a great future, absolutely. And, and I'm absolutely certain we'll stay in touch. And remember all the great days that we've had together. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Over to
Amit sir.
Manish.
Thank you, Amit sir. Now I'll request Hemant sir to kindly display the certificate, please. Thank you. Request Dr. Beduria to kindly address the students of 2020 batch for his particular specialization. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Hi, everybody. What to say? As you know, in AV, we don't say goodbye. We grow as we leave this place, and we keep in touch. And it's especially impossible to say goodbye to this specific batch. I mean, you have been the longest third year ever. And I hope nobody ever breaks that record ever. It has been a mammoth marathon kind of year for us to survive, which you have done in great colors. In that room 603, we have become friends. We discovered that it's a part of AV life that you realize that doesn't matter how good you are, you need to work as a team. You need to look after each other's backs, which we have done, and which came handy when we went into the lockdown, which was, well, that was another story altogether. And we have survived all of that, right? And we are here. I mean, that's the greatest thing. And in that process, all of us have become friends. So, I mean, if there is any winner to this, it is AV 2020. But I've been asked to announce the individual specialization topper for your batch, and that's our dear Meher Dhilo. So a good round of applause. I'm not going to say goodbye because I would like to keep in touch with you as you grow. I hope some of you will come back and share some of your knowledges with our future batches, and you will be involved in the process. So from me, just a thumbs up, and let's keep doing the good job. Thank you.
Thank you, Beduria, sir. Now I'll request Snehal ma'am to address the batch of 2020, please. Over to you, Snehal.
Thank you, Manish sir. Hello, everyone. After a long time, at least no farewell, but we are actually having valedictory sessions. I'm very happy to see you all here.
Hi, ma'am. We are happy
As
to.
Baiduria sir said, we are. Hi. Yes. So as Baiduria sir has rightly said that even I am also not willing to say goodbye because your batch has ended, or the semester 6 ended very abruptly without even saying goodbye, without even having a proper final exam. But yes, we had that twice for your batch, right? So yes, let me start by congratulating the students who is batch topper, who is specialization toppers, who are course toppers. I really, appreciate the efforts that they have put in twice while they are, giving their final exam. So I really, really appreciate their efforts. Also, I would like to say that even you are very much dedicated, you put your hard work in everything while you are selecting your universities, your colleges for further education, for organizations to work with, for the profile that you are selecting. But don't get too much indulged into that. Do not underestimate the importance of being happy also. Don't forget to pursue your hobbies, or don't ignore your hobbies. try to, find out happiness in little things in daily routine, so that you won't be overburdened, lonely, or far away from family if you're feeling like that. So just be happy. Try to enjoy your life wherever you are, whatever you are doing. And I would like to request you all that always be good ambassadors for SCMC, because you will always be known as pass out from SCMC. You will be our alumni here onwards, right? 2020 batch. So you will always be our, prestigious alumni that we would like to, look up to or set the standards for the juniors. So live by the discipline and the things that you have learned while you were here at SCMC, and make us proud. You have already made us proud, but in future also we would like to say that, oh, that is my student, I taught that student, right? So that's it. In the end, I would like to wish you all the very good luck and best luck, best wishes for your future endeavors. We are here for any kind of guidance that you need, whether it is, further education or any difficulty while you are working with one of the projects, anything, we are always here for you. Thank you all. Good to see you. Now I will announce the specialization topper for AD batch, which is Simran.
Thank you. I'm here. I'm actually. Thanks.
Hi,
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Manish sir. Over to you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I'll request Liji ma'am to please come and address the batch of 2020 for her specialization and announce the award. Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. So happy to have you back, at least even if it's just online. Hopefully, we'll see you sometimes on campus as well. The congratulations to the entire batch for successfully graduating in what has been a very difficult year for everybody. And it was a challenging time, and I'm glad that you all rose to that challenge. And so I'll get to my task, which is to announce the course topper for the PR batch for 2020. Congratulations to Mansi Kabra.
Congrats,
Congrats,
Mansi.
Mansi.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Mansi.
Congrats, Mansi. And to all the rest of you who gave a pretty stiff competition in academics, you are a special batch to me personally because you're the first full-fledged batch that I've taught. So you'll always be in my heart. And I was very happy while I was here to see that so many of you, led so many activities and events and extracurricular work at SCMC, and were very proactive. You took initiative and led so many of these to successful conclusions. So, and together we had so many firsts as a PR batch. We got the PR wire online. We started our experiential learning workshop for the first time with you guys. We resumed our PRCI YCC activities. And you were also the first batch to deal with a pandemic in your graduation year. So many firsts to your credit. And I'm really happy to see that at least some of you are pursuing, higher education or careers in your chosen fields. And I wish you all success. I'd like to tell you that, please stay in touch with SCMC. Please stay in touch with us. Like Snail Ma'am said, do us proud as alumni of SCMC. And I really would like to see you back in campus sometimes. Maybe we'll have an alumni meet and have you all back and have a proper farewell, which we have not been able to do.
We miss you, ma'am. Thank you for everything.
Thank you so much, Mansa. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. And congratulations once again to the entire batch. Thank you, Manish, sir. Over to you.
Thank you, ma'am. And thank you to all the HODs for such a warm welcome to our 2020 batch. Now I shall request our beloved director, Dr. Sriram Gopalakrishnan, to kindly address the batch of 2020 and give away the awards. Over to you, sir.
First, I would like to congratulate all the winners of the specialization. I want to congratulate the entire batch because this batch has been quite jubilant and lived very interesting times. You know, we had some very interesting times, and they're very cooperative with us also. We had an exam, and suddenly we had another exam. Between that exam and this exam, quite a lot of people wanted to take a dull, rusted knife on our throat for making you go through such inconveniences. But that's how it is. You know, if you can't blame your parents and your teachers for in your life, then what else can you blame? You know? So it is very important to to have that kind of a thing. And you also have lived interesting times with this pandemic. Now, all the preparation that we are doing is of no use because we have no chance of even interacting with students. I just thought I'll just share a couple of points. A lot of things have changed. Life has changed. The way we live has changed. Culture has changed. Interestingly, you know, I was reading somewhere how the word culture is so difficult to translate into Indian languages. Rabindranath Tagore talked about culture as Sanskriti. People now say Sanskriti might not be culture. In some places, Tamil, they say Panpadu or Sampradaya, okay, or Kalacharam. So each one of these words are different as we are all are. More importantly, as communicators, we have lost audiences. You know, Marshall McLuhan, one of the Canadian expert, he said, art is entertainment which has lost its audience. So in many places, we might have lost audiences. People are not seeing movies in theater anymore. People are doing something else. So I think this is a position of evolving. Things that we knew as entertainment in the past might not be entertainment, may be evolving as art, or something else will evolve as entertainment. We really don't know. So I think we are living in quite interesting times. And you will require to have something which is very important. I always say good temperament. Good temperament ultimately, you know, wins over everything else. The perseverance and temperament that you display many times leads to success. So I'm sure all of you are already working and already experts in many areas. So I don't want to get into any more lecture mode, but share with you that this time we want to start a new series of recognition. Now, this recognition is different in the sense that we want to recognize those students who have displayed leadership during this program. And we wanted to know whom to recognize, and then we got inputs from students, we got inputs from faculty, and we also had a thorough look. I'm not saying others are not done enough work or others have not displayed leadership. Every single member of this batch is a leader. But you all know that everybody cannot be recognized with a certificate, but that doesn't mean you are not a leader. I would like to share with you the first person that I'd like to share is Miss Somakshi Joshi.
Woohoo! Go Soma!
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Somakshi.
Thank you, sir.
Joshi. She is a girl with tremendous amount of patience. And
Thank you so much. Means a lot.
so it was a common feedback from all the students as well as many of the faculty. Somakshi was there front and center. And she took on the bulk of the, opinions, and structured those opinions in a very nice way. No, I understand. She takes all the all those dash words and then articulate it in a nice way in my room and come and tell me, this is what is the problem, and then message me, this is what is the problem, please understand. So every time she messages me, I can understand that those messages are the result of a lot of other unprintables. So, Somakshi Joshi. Second, I would like to recognize Madhavi Jain.
Thank you, sir.
Madhavi Jain, Madhavi Jain transformed the theatre club completely. And I think she's laid the ground for some great work which can happen in the future. And another thing I have also, it's also a collective thing, is that she has made a difference by involving in all the activities. And I'm sure there will be many more successes in her life.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Third person that I would like to mention is Mithali Dhar.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, Mithali. Go, Mithali.
Yay. Thank you.
Mithali Dhar is a selfless professional, and she is a go-getter. There is an old story, if you tell someone to go touch and come, they'll go cut and come. There's an old proverb in Malayalam. I don't know how I can translate, and kuttukondu va, vettikondu va, they say that. So, you tell somebody to go touch it and come, they'll go cut it and come. That is the level of proactive activity that Mithali Dhar has displayed. I'm sure she'll charm her way through some of the top levels of whatever exam that she has planning to do. Other day I was telling her, you don't need any entrance exam. You go and meet the person who is conducting it and give you a free pass. Fourth, Mansukman Julka.
Woohoo! Go Mansuk!
Thank you.
Now, Mansukman, if you notice one thing, when we started this meeting was going on, all of us are speaking. Mansukman was busy on the chat, telling, please allow everybody who's there on the waiting room. She was saying in the chat, allow people in the meeting room. Then she messaged somebody, sir, people are sitting in the waiting room. Then that person, so Mansukman is a kind of person who ensures that everybody has had food after a long wedding. Okay, and she's the kind of person who will be everywhere listening to everybody, generally making everybody comfortable. Since I have already spoken to her father has told that he will donate Mansukman to SCMC for the next 2-3 years. So I think that we will explore that possibility in the future. But I must say that Mansukman Kaur, she will never hesitate, straight coming into my room and telling her piece.
That's true, sir.
Okay, so that's Mansukman. Then I would like to also mention Avdi Balgat.
Woo! Yeah, Avdi!
Yeah!
Go Avdi! Go Avdi!
Yay!
Avdi Balgat is the kind of person will wait for all the barrage to fall. No, and during battlefield, no, all the shells will be shot from the other side. She'll just wait for all the guns to keep quiet, and suddenly she'll launch a missile. Okay, and then that missile will go and it will hit everybody. Then you will start wondering, where is this missile come from? So very patiently she will listen and will say, can I tell you something? This is what. So yeah, and another thing is she is involved in sports. She is not involved in academics. So I think it's exemplary example of what SCMC stands for. And I'd like to congratulate her also.
Thank you.
Next, I would like to introduce Anjan Jot.
Woohoo! Go Anjan!
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Get Wafi to do an acceptance speech, please.
I think it's left now.
Anjan
Finally.
Jot, see, Anjan Jot's greatest weapon is a $1 million smile.
Sir, I agree.
And, I think even if she commits a half a dozen murders, and of course, she would never do that. I'm just telling metaphorically. And someone comes to her and says, we give a $1 million smile, and, the inspector will give her a Nobel Prize and go home. And another thing about her is, tremendous patience to handle people, and, a fantastic congeniality, which will go a long way in her career and in her life.
Chal, char by das.
Next, I would like to, mention Nikhil Kujur.
Woohoo!
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Nikhil Kujur is what one would call editoholic. Every day he has to get up in the morning and edit and shoot something. Without that, he will not get sleep. And another thing is, he is one person that every student feels is always been helpful. Whatever you tell him, whatever you ask him, Nikhil Kujur is always there. Of course, he has his cap. Sometimes, I don't know whether he still has his cap.
No, sir, not at the moment.
So whenever he used to come and meet me, he used to have this cap, and I used to wonder, then I used to remember Nikhil Kujur and cap. So sometimes, when so many people are there, it's difficult to remember the faces. So I must say, Nikhil, all the best to you in your life.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
And do wonderfully. Then I would like to mention Anmol Das.
Ooh, go Anmol.
Thank you so much, sir.
In fact, when the name of some of the AV people were being discussed, and one faculty was telling me, I was asking, AV who was very, very active in getting doing the background work, in terms of events and all that, who was always there as a hands-on person. Then one faculty said, no, that guy who, was there, the tall guy, was there all the time, laptop, Then all other people also said the same thing. Some students also were saying the same thing. Then I was wondering, what is this ad guy doing on the laptop? But anyway, it's not a question of any specialization or anything. Okay, we are not having any allocation or anything like that. But I felt Anmol Das displayed a lot of maturity in understanding things. I still remember, when we had this discussion in the class, and he raised some questions. Then as a teacher, I have to say some things. As an administrator, I have to say something, because I'm bound by the rules of the university. As a teacher, I am free to be who I am. but as an administrator, I am not. So I remember we had a nice chat, one-on-one chat in my room for a long time. And I don't know, I hope I convinced him, but he looked convinced. That's what at least I'm remembering. I don't know about that. But I must say a tremendous amount of maturity shown by him, and I wish him all the very best, Anmol Das.
Thank you so much, sir.
And I have Aditi Parida. Now, let me say this, that I have yet to come across a student with the range of capabilities and maturity as Aditi Parida. I don't mind being quoted on this. When I was to teach in a in an MBA school, I remember one student called Amol Patil, who was simply great. Now he is the regional sales manager for ITC. Now I must say Aditi Parida is, that way a tremendous combination of the best that we all can aspire for. And I think this is a standing example of how one person can make a difference. She is an accomplished dancer. She is a fantastic student, a diligent worker and coordinator, a great friend that people say she is. On top of that, she is a sports person. And on top of that, she is one person who is always pleasant and wonderful to talk to. I think it is important for us, while for a teacher, every student is important. For a teacher, every student is precious. But among us, there are some people who stand out as good examples. And I must say that students like Aditi Parida will make teachers want to make them feel that they have come to the right place. Because you feel someone who you give them 5%, they make 100% out of it. So I think that is simply fantastic. And I wish her all the very best. And more than the medals and the certificates that she has got, I think Aditi's best example is that her demeanor, her behavior, her attitude, her overall interaction with everybody has been simply fantastic. And I wish her and all the best in the future. Before I end, I want to thank every one of you. I can understand there are so many other people also who has done wonderful work and also are good leaders. But then we thought we'll have to have a limitation. I think in another 5 to 10 people could have easily been added, but we thought we'll have a limitation. I can understand it, but don't think any different. In our hearts, all of you are leaders. And more importantly, I just want to thank you because it was a difficult time for us. And I know we have not covered ourselves with glory. As a university, perhaps we must have reacted or we must have responded to things much effectively. But in the defense of the university, I can only say that this was the first time that we have also encountered a problem like this. And we were also going on an ad hoc process. So I want you to understand and appreciate that. Otherwise, I would like to thank you once again and wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for the wonderful address for our batch. Now I shall request Kavita ma'am to felicitate the internship coordinators. Over to you, ma'am.
Hi guys, a very good morning.
Hi, ma'am.
I feel that our interaction is just not over. We have been constantly in touch with each other. What I appreciate about the batch of 2020 is that I never felt that they were going through this kind of crisis. They have been very cooperative in terms of internship and placement. There was a time when internship was getting tough, but then they never complained in the sense that they had anxiety problems. They had what do you call they're fearful of the situation, but it was communicated in I would say in a very sober manner, and I think that's appreciable for the entire batch. They stood by us. They always supported us, and I hope that this continues even after they enter the industry. I believe that the batch of 2020 is going to be very critical for us in terms of building industry relationship. The reason being that this will be the first batch which is totally jumping into the industry to manage the new industry. We really don't know how the industry is going. So right from journalism to public relations to new media to advertising, I feel you guys are very important to us, and as much as that support that you've given us during your times at campus, I hope that this continues even when you're off the campus. And I appreciate each one of you. Let me say that this was an all-girls gang. No, nothing against boys. Please don't mind it. There's no gender bias here. But what I appreciate is that they all get together for a purpose. And it seemed to be as if they never thought about their own specialization. I remember the time when I spoke to Aditi about, "Arey, PR mein incoming hai, kya kare?" Then she would tell me, "Ma'am, do this." Then I'll speak to Anjan that, "Okay, these are the advertising things. What do we do?" Or there are times when I've spoken to Nivedita and or Astha. So never been a time when we have thought about only specializations. I would say that I know the characters that I love the most, like, I have the Mourners of the world, I have the red-eyed, the little thing of the world, I have the Wonder Womans of the world. So I think I had the combination of characters and personalities to work with. It has been my absolute pleasure to interact with you guys. I remember the times when you all had to take a call whether we'll proceed with Anukram. I remember the time when we had a close meeting and I asked you this question: are you sure you want to do this? Last year the batch did not do. They took a very practical call on not proceeding with Anukram. Do you think you can pull it off? And you said yes. मैंने कहा देखो पीछे नहीं जा सकते. We're going to Shriram sir. We're going to pitch for it. You can't go back. And you guys said yes ma'am, कर देंगे, कुछ भी करके कर देंगे. चलिए ma'am, करते हैं. So I like that spirit. I think the never say die kind of a spirit that you have, the support system that you guys have, the back support that you have. I hope it continues, and I hope that you all will keep in touch with us constantly. Ideally, I would have liked to, as I told Shriram sir the other day, that sir figures नहीं बताएंगे क्योंकि we would have done better in normal situation. He said no, it's not about what others feel, it's about how we feel. And I would like to take that advice. It's about how we feel, the amount of effort that has been gone. We don't know about the results. Please remember, the results will come to us. I'm sure you guys will be pleased and you'll do the best in life. But the process that we enjoyed in interacting and doing things together, I think that the memories I'll cherish, and I appreciate all your efforts and support to me. I appreciate each and every individual support. It's not about only the coordinators, it's also about all the good times that we had. I remember Stuti tripping over her sari and her heels, high heels, when we were chatting during the Anukram times. I remember all the jokes that we shared and the anxiety, Rupal running around and calling people inside for Anukram, coordinating with all the speakers. I remember the times when we had practice sessions and the secret that we shared about the first time we were doing that drama, we were doing that Rahi event, and how we kept that secret, and it came as a big surprise and everybody loved it, and it went so viral. I remember all those times that during those two events, we were top, we were trending, and the excitement that I saw on your face that, ma'am, we are trending, do you know this is all happening? I hope that you retain this spirit, you do great in life, and guys, all the best. Keep in touch. Or come back to interact with your juniors. Your juniors will be constantly harassing you for more contacts, for more internships, more placements, and I hope to see you back soon and we'll party. Okay? So this time the party will be unofficial, but we'll definitely party. Okay. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, Hemant sir, we'll call, please share the certificates for Nivedita, Astha, Anjan, Mansukh, my Rani Lakshmi Bai. Aditi, the Wonder Woman. So we have all the Stuti, Vidushi. Vidushi has a great surprise. You know what? There's something special about Vidushi. For the first 2 semesters or the 3 semesters, I didn't know her so much. Okay, like we used to interact with each other. But when I really came to know about her, I was so amazed at her sense of humor, her handwriting, everything about her smile. Everything was so wonderful. I think Vidushi was my, what you call, little girl who grew to be a wonderful woman kind of a situation. So thanks a lot, everybody. Have a great day. Enjoy yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Kavita ma'am. Over to Arya sir to speak on behalf of the alumni cell. Over to you, sir.
Hello, Batch 2020. It is indeed a happy moment to get back to you. This batch, I'm in perfect agreement with all the appreciations that have been showered upon you by the director, sir, and all the HODs. This is really a historical batch in all senses. You're passing out in a difficult year, 2020. Okay, but negatively speaking, okay, 2020 looks negative in 2020, but after a few years, you will be when you will be sharing this that you belong to 2020 batch, that people will perceive that you belong to some kind of a landmark year. Okay, so I wish you all the best. I'm here to share some information about alumni portal. SIU has this Symbiosis Center for Alumni Portal, where alumni share their information about their achievements, especially if they are going to start some kind of a startup center or some innovation, or if you're passing some national level examination. You can share this information directly with me, or alumni coordinator will get in touch with you. Apart from it, SCMC also invites alumni as guest faculty. This year we have invited students from last year, 1919. Also, they have conducted some lectures. So if you are willing to contribute your knowledge gained from your industrial experience, you are always welcome. And this will keep our association with all of you. So to continue this association, I wish you all the best and thank you.
Thank you, Arya sir. With that, we have come to the end of this valedictory ceremony. And I would like to give a vote of thanks to the IT department for making this possible, Hemant sir and his team, and all the HODs, staff, faculty, and also director sir for contributing to this particular event. And what I would like to say to the 2020 batches that you all are entering an era where the business dynamics are definitely going to change. They have changed, right? So there's going to be a new learning when you enter the corporate world, be it business or be it entrepreneur or be it work life. And I'm sure you all are geared to face this challenge and take it as a positive step in your career. So I would like to wish all and each one of you all the very best, and stay in touch and do drop into our college whenever time permits. Thank you. Goodbye. God bless.